Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PIVX. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big bearish pennant, and right now PIVX has just broken out the resistance of this pennant, and we will also talk about this harmonic bullish reversal pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to share this recent trade setup with you that I shared with my members at the Patreon almost 2 days ago, when PIVX completed a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move and entered the buying zone. And this was a pattern. And before that, we had this trade that I shared. That was also, by the way, another harmonic guardlay move that I shared on 4th of May when the price line completed this final leg. And we also had a 50 simple moving average support on the daily time frame chart inside this potential reversal zone. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a small pump. And after hitting the sell target here, almost at the mid of this sell target, the price line moved down. And this time it formed another bullish guardlay move, and this move was formed with Bitcoin pair. And our potential reversal zone was from 726 to 656, and our sell targets were from 819 to 917. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well, and it rallied up to 840. That was more than 25% pump, and right now it is moving here between this potential reversal zone and this potential sell zone of this guardlay move. But during this reversal move, we had another development with the US dollar pair chart. And by the way, this was 4-hour time frame, and now we are watching the weekly PIVX chart with US dollar pair. And during this move, this reversal move from this guardlay, we can see with the US dollar pair, PIVX has again moved above this resistance of 17 cents. That is a very strong resistance. And if we switch back to the weekly time frame, then we can see that the 17 cents has been breaking as a support here back in March 2020. And here in November 2019, and here in September 2019, and here in December 2018, and here back in January 2018 as well. It has been breaking as a strong support, and right now you can see that on the smaller time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we have broken out this resistance, and on the weekly time frame, I'm expecting that soon we can have a closing above this resistance, and the next move can be imminent if we will have the closing above this resistance on the weekly time frame, and the next resistance can be at 27 cents, and from this 17 cents to 27 cents, the move can be quite imminent once we will have the closing above this resistance on the weekly time frame. And if we take a look at the next resistance of 27 cents, then we can see previously it has been breaking as a support here, as a resistance here, as a support here for several weeks, and as a resistance here, as a resistance here for several weeks. And after 27 cents, there will be another major resistance we will have at 50 cents. And you can see that previously back in June 2021, for several weeks, it has been breaking as a support, and as a support here in December 2021 as well. And you can see for several months and weeks, it has been breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And for several weeks, it has been breaking here as a support as well. And the final target after this breakout from this bearish pennant, remember we did not have any closing so far up above this resistance of the pennant on the weekly time frame. If we take a look at the previous candlestick, that was closed at 14.22, that was approximately here, that is under the resistance of this pennant. Once we will have this closing above this resistance of the pennant, then we can expect this bigger move that can hit this target of the pennant that will be here at the top of the pennant. Here we have a quite strong resistance that will be approximately at $2.34 or 35 cents. That can be our final target as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.